One common thing when using the command line terminal is wanting to edit what you've typed. So for example, suppose we typed goodbye. Well, that's not actually a command. In fact, we can hit return. Oops, command not found. So suppose we wanted to get to the beginning of the line and put echo in front of this. Now, of course, I could just use the arrow key like this, but there's a faster way, which is to do Control A, like that. This is especially convenient when editing a longer line. For example, suppose that we typed out this line. This is the first line of Shakespeare's first sonnet. But if we look at the original printing of this sonnet, in fact, this R here, this R in from, is capitalized. Let's take a look at that. This is just a typesetting convention from the day. You can see that this R is capitalized. So let's echo that out. One thing you might notice is that it seems like we have to retype the whole line, but in fact there's a convenient way to get the previous command just by going like this, up arrow. In fact, we can keep going to get the previous one, go down to get the more recent one, and so on. So we can use our trick from before, Control A, to get to the beginning of the line and then just move over with the arrow key, like this. There are a couple of other tricks worth knowing. In addition to Control A, I often use Control E, which gets you to the end of the line. And Control U deletes to the beginning of the line. So a common thing to do would be like this. Oh, I just keep messing up. You know, I could hit delete, but it's sometimes faster just to start over again. By the way, there is one system-dependent way of moving around the line. On some systems, including this one, you can use Option and then a mouse click like this. So if I wanted to delete this and change it back to the lowercase, I could.